Introducing a new arrival during lockdown. Slippy the robot car with an inertial measurement unit. So as you see on the screen, the orientation of the car is mapped in 3D. It's got a remote control interface, several remote control interfaces, infrared, so the kids can play with it with the TV remote control, Bluetooth controller with avoidance, just send a Bluetooth message this way. Looks around to see if there's any obstacles in the way. And my next task is to try and make it navigate a room without crashing into things, which probably isn't worth demonstrating right now. It doesn't work too well.